It's Pijo in Pattaya. Welcome back, part 2 of the Jomtien beach ride. I'm about halfway along the beachfront. It's Friday, 3rd of December. Beautiful sunny day. 11 AM in the morning. About 25 degrees with a light breeze. Good, not too hot. We'll take a look at some more condos along here and a look at the beach. It's a nice drive along here, even on a push bike, as long as the traffic's not too busy. Hope everyone's doing okay. We need you all back here ASAP. This little boat ramp there. Let's go take a look. Go launch the motorbike while we're here. There's Jomtien in the distance. Look at all the condos down there. And Jomtien beach along here. Kolan Island in the distance. What a great day. Look at this thing they're building here. Copacabana, that's the 157 stories. 1,600 apartments, condos. Will they be able to sell them all? Who knows? This gets down into a little bit busier section down here. Lots more shops. This looks nice. The Breeze Bar and Grill. Even in the distance, you just see more and more condos. Let's take a look at that showroom. Look at that thing. Maybe a good view up the top there. Copacabana. That's the Jomtien night market just there. Have a lot of stalls and food stalls. But yeah, COVID cases are still dropping. I know we got the new Omicron variant coming. Let's hope that doesn't do too much damage and we keep opening up because things are slowly getting busier. Look at that, the old Thai longboat there. They're always fun to go on. Being on some of those down Phuket. Jet ski festival here last weekend was a busy spot. There's a few beer bars down in this part of Jomtien. I checked one of my other videos. I did a tour around some of these streets. .5, that's immigration, Jomtien for your visas up that street. Beach is looking nice and clean. The water's clean. I guess there's been no one here for a year, which certainly helps. This is the Soi 2 there in the main part of Jomtien. Look at all the condos here. Jomtien Palm Beach. I thought they were going to develop this area here, but they haven't done much. It's the police station there if you have any troubles. We'll just check out down here, have a look on the beach for you guys, see what a beautiful day it is. This is the start of Jomtien Beach here. I'll do another video along here another day. But yeah, look at this, what a beautiful day. Sit on the beach under the trees, taking the view. There's Pattaya Park Tower there. Good little cafes along here as well. I'm doing a video there. A blogger, same me. Beautiful spot. Sit under these chairs, normally cost I think 50 baht for all day. And sit, lounge around, probably get a beer from 7-Eleven maybe, just quietly. But how good is that? Kolan Island there, do a trip there soon. Stay safe everybody. P. Joe. Over and out. Hooroo.